The 1984 Group presents the decentralized ecosystem of Utopia. Available in 29 languages. Welcome to Utopia Tutorials, a video series presented by Cryptonaut Creations. In this video, we will demonstrate how to export the encrypted container of your Utopia account in order to protect your investment in Krypton, CRP, and back up all of your private account data. Let us begin in the dashboard of the Utopia desktop client software. As you can see in the bottom left corner, we have a CRP balance of almost 1200 Kryptons. If we click on it, we will go directly to the U-Wallet window. Here we can see a record of the withdrawal transfers we made from the cryptocurrency exchanges to fund our Utopia account. In order to protect this investment in Krypton, and back up additional private Utopia account data, we will be exporting our encrypted database. Go to the File menu in the top left and click on Export Database. This will open a window for us in which we may specify the name and location of the encrypted file we will be exporting. This new encrypted database file may have the same password as your current account or an entirely new password. But, whatever password you choose, please make sure it is both strong and unique in order to protect your account. Down below we are able to specify which category of data we want to include in the export process, including contacts, emails, files, as well as contact and channel messages. Once you have completed the first 4 data fields, the export button will be enabled. Clicking it will complete the export process. Please make sure to keep copies of this exported, encrypted, backup file in safe and redundant locations. Your Krypton investment and private Utopia account data has now been secured. Congratulations!